You guys haven't had a good rant video in a while, so I figured today would be a good day. Today is the day that stupid won. Now, over the past years, many of you that have watched my channel, especially my Facebook page, have enjoyed seeing the particular conversations I've had with bad information on the Facebook group Blacksmithing for Beginners. You know, the problem is this is a group for the education of blacksmith, and myself, I mean, I've been in the trenches swinging because I have always adopted the premise that you should meet stupid head on. And being reasonable with the unreasonable simply doesn't work. So, today a post came through where a gentleman said that, yeah, make plenty of railroad spike knives. In fact, I've made them, or somebody that I know has made them, and he can get them so hard that he can take a railroad spike knife and baton it through rebar, and it shows no edge damage or edge deflection. Edge deflection is what he actually said. Let me repeat that again. That the claim is that you could take a railroad spike knife, baton it through pieces of rebar and show no edge damage. And folks, look, I usually try not to be unequivocally asshat on this end of it, but that is horsepucky. Wasn't rude or wasn't ugly. I requested that he show me a video or any evidence of this claim that everybody with any experience knows is complete garbage. Okay? The poster, and I, of course, took my road spike video, which in my video I explained, hey, look, if you're using these to make money, that's great, but they're not going to make good knives. They simply don't have enough carbon. So the poster of the video replied using some rather strong expletive language that he was going to make them anyway, which meant that he didn't even watch the video, he just ran off at the mouth. And of course, whenever I identify somebody that's just running their mouth, I take my time to make sure and say something rude about their mother or something to the effect. Because at that point, there's no longer an education to be had. It is simply putting a dummy in their place. So, interestingly enough, a moderator from Blacksmithing for Beginners came in and sanitized the post of my comments. Yep. A literal moderator of one of the largest blacksmithing groups on Facebook, responsible for the education of blacksmiths all around the world, removed factual information in an effort to educate. Now, again, here's the thing. Guys, you know, everybody's enjoyed my witty comebacks, but the thing is they are comebacks. I have never, ever taken the opportunity to crap on somebody that was asking an honest question. In fact, I've made every effort to answer them. But when there is dumbassery, I do not fail to meet it head on with sarcasm and insults, because that's how you treat stupid. But today, it won. Flat out and period. So at this point, unfortunately, that's it for me and Blacksmithing for Beginners, which, if you don't know, the vast majority of people who care about blacksmithing, who educate in blacksmithing, have abandoned it completely because of stuff like this. But look, having dummies is part of any forum. That's where education starts. You're not always going to have people that know. So you get out there and you get in the trenches and you educate. But when the literal people holding the keys to the kingdom are going to take away the truth of the matter, you're done. You cannot be saved. So, you know, hey, BFB, thanks for the memories. You're screwed. See you guys.